Hello, this is Joan of Art and I'm enjoying my little hammock ride. So let's talk about Ilonggo words pertaining to rest and relaxation. First, the hammock is called duyan. Duyan also means cradle. So when your mom rocks you to sleep, it's referred to in Ilonggo as duyan. Duyan could be a verb or a noun. For the verb duyan means to rock, and as a noun it means the hammock or a cradle or the mother's arms. Another term for a mother's tender cradle rocking you to sleep is ili-ili. Ili-ili. When the mother holds the baby in her arms and rocks the baby to sleep. The baby crib or the baby cradle, there's also a baby version for this. Just cloth, tie it, and put the baby in. It's called abuy-abuy. Duyan also means to swing. To rest means pahuway, while to relax means patawhay. Those are the verbs. The noun form is the same. Pahuway, rest, pahuway, relax, pahunay-hunay. Rest could also be called pahunay-hunay, pulupatawhay, tawhay. Tawhay means peaceful. So there's peace, there's relaxation, there's rest. To sleep means tulog, while a short nap is piyong-piyong, from the root word piyong, or to close eyes. So it's like your equivalent of 40 winks, piyong-piyong. Just close your eyes a bit and rest, take a nap. Tulog-tulog is a short sleep. Just to close eyes and take a power nap. Light sleep. So that's all I can think of for now. I'm so relaxed. I can't think of any other words. Maybe that's it. So this is Joan of Art. Just having a relaxing time. And see you in our next video.